What's up, chat? No intro today. We're getting straight into business, chat. I think most of you know why. If you read the title, you know why. Let's get right into it, chat. Welcome, welcome, Claude Mythos. They called it Fable though. But let's give it a go, chat. I'm already ready. Let's wait up for the stream to load in. Let's get it, chat. Mythos is open. I'ma call it Mythos anyway, chat, but it's Fable 5. And I put it on max mode. I've got a to-do ready, chat, what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna wait for the stream to load up a bit. Check that it's healthy and all that stuff. And once we got some people going in the chat, then the first thing we're gonna do is watch the new promotional video. I'm probably gonna be cutting this video, this live stream into a video, so I'm gonna do some recordings and some, you know, some takes. But let's run it up, chat. I'm very excited. I found Fable, and it says available until 22nd of June. So let's figure that out and see how much we can max it out. I'm ready to run it. I've got a project ready, chat. I'll show you guys. This is what we're gonna do today, chat. To test it, we are gonna build a real landing page, what every company needs in the world. We're gonna build a login and dashboard for 5 users. And we're gonna use that dashboard to build a project collaboration tool. I've been meaning to collab with Phoenix, PR, Andre, Hunter, loads of people. Tomorrow we have our first Dollar Vibe Club meeting. I'm gonna call it the HQ meeting. And let's see what we can get going for that today. And then as a cherry on top, I wanna code another chess game within that platform. We're just gonna do it within that platform to keep it easy today. And we're gonna see how it's gonna run. I'm very excited to get trying on Fable 5 chat, aka Mythos. You know the vibes, man. It's a crazy time. It feels like yesterday that we just got 4.8 chat. Feels like yesterday. What's up, Easy? Thank you for dropping the bombs today, man. I'm always late to the news, but you're always first, man. Thank you. Chat, I'm gonna do an intro in a few moments once the stream runs up a bit. And then we're gonna start and we're going to watch the first video of Claude, and that's introducing Claude Fable 5. Let's see what it's all about, chat. I'm just gonna check my YouTube, one moment. Alright, that's looking all good. Alright. Let's get started, chat. I'm gonna do an intro first. I'm gonna turn down the music for a second, and then we're gonna watch that. Yo, chat, welcome to the stream. Wait, let me turn on the light, chat. I gotta get that studio lighting going. Alright. Yo, what's up, chat? Welcome to the video. This is a video that we did on live stream, but I'm rebroadcasting it here. And today, it's an exciting day, chat, because we get to test Fable 5. We've got 3 tasks that we want to test on it. But that being said, let's run right into the video that Claude dropped and let's see what it's all about. Shout out Born. Shout out Andre, what's up? Welcome to the stream, chat. We're gonna watch the promotional video for Fable 5 and then we're gonna get coding. Alright, chat. Enjoy the show.
Today we're launching Claude Fable 5, the most capable model we've ever released to the public. Fable 5 is a Mythos class model with safeguards that make it ready for general use. We didn't broadly release our previous model with this level of capability because when we finished training and testing it, we saw that the model, Claude Mythos Preview, was finding thousands of cybersecurity vulnerabilities. A model that can find flaws like that can also be used to exploit them. So instead of releasing it, we handed it to the people who protect the world's critical software and put it to work fixing the holes before someone could break through them. It was the right call for the moment, but it was never the goal. We believe powerful AI should be safe and accessible. That's why we went to work on Claude Fable 5.
Every Claude model has safeguards to keep it from doing harm. Fable needed more cautious ones than anything we'd built before. Our safety systems for Fable 5 automatically review requests that touch on high-risk areas like cybersecurity or biology. Those requests are then redirected to Opus 4.8. We do that intentionally so people can continue to benefit from the capabilities of a powerful model like Fable without the cyber and biology risks that come with it. The safeguards are broad today, but we'll keep refining them so that they're better at allowing safe requests.
We built Claude Fable 5 for your most ambitious work. It can stay with a problem far longer than any model before it. It's highly autonomous and can operate for days without intervention.
And it's not just coding. It
can take on projects in finance, research, economics, law, complicated tasks that used to need constant supervision. So point it at something that matters. What's the problem we'll look back on and wonder why it took so long to solve? We know what Claude Fable 5 can do. The interesting part is what you'll do with it.
Oh, we got plans, chat. We got plans, man. We got plans, man. Chat, this is another video that I found. Let me show you guys. This is pretty crazy. This is Claude Fable 5 playing a game, chat. That is pretty crazy, chat. The fact that it can play a strategy game like that, chat. No cap. I'm gonna have my agent game and just stream that, chat. Alright, welcome to the stream, everybody. Kozak, welcome to the stream. Let me check the chat. Thank you, Kozak. Thank you, man. Alright, chat. We've got a plan. So the plan today is to test it. I just said it on stream. I want to build a landing page just to see the simple things. I want to build a login interface. We're going to use it. We're going to connect it to Vercel plus Supabase. And then I want to build a project manager tool. We're going to have our first meeting call tomorrow. So I want to see how we can structure that. And then as a fun gimmick at the end, we're going to build the 3D chess game, what we usually do. So let's get right into it. Fable 5 is on, chat. I turned it on to max mode. Let's get it going. Give me a moment. I'll play some lo-fi. Alright. It's becoming easier and easier, chat. The models are getting smarter and smarter, man. It's unbelievable. Okay, so we'll start. Brand name. I want you to build me a landing page with only 2 sections. The main section should be a nice hero with a motion video representing a neural network or AI technology, something very high tech. And then right below it, I want 5 team member blocks with a name, a short text, and possibly their social channels. That's the foundation that we want. I want to host it on Vercel, and I want to have the database set up in Supabase. Let me know what you need from me, and then I need you to get to work and build it up. I need you to create a logo, all that good stuff, and it has to be ready to be published immediately. Let's see what he says, chat. Let's see what he says. Landing page. I am gonna do one thing, chat. I'm just gonna make sure that the right Supabase is connected. Alright, the right one should be connected. Let's run it. Fable 5 max, chat. I also made sure to put the reset. We are on 1%, so let's see how much tokens we're going to be burning on this new model, chat. And sorry that it's all about Mythos today, but overall, I have to say, chat, what a time to be alive, man. It's been an amazing week, amazing couple of days. The week hasn't even started, it's only Tuesday. We got so much coming up this week, chat, but Fable took the cherry on the cake. I had a new client today, chat. I signed a new contract. A very nice budget. You'll see me be building that over the next week on Fiverr. I'm excited for the start of the World Cup, chat. And I'm excited for UFC 250. So it's an entire week we get to vibe code and follow all these events from the luxury of our compound. What a time to be alive, chat. If you're not vibe coding, or if you're not into vibe coding, now is the time, chat. I found this, chat, as well. So you can see it's a huge jump. I'm not a tech guy, chat. I don't know percentages and all that shit, but I can say that it's looking like a huge jump. So let's put it to work, man. We did the test with 4.8. Team section. Team is alright, chat, I'm just vibe coding, so sometimes I like to type when it's directings. What should the super base power? We will have a login coming after that landing page, and that login will take those 5 members to a project collaboration environment, and we have certain goals that we want to reach, and the project collaboration environment will get us toward that journey. Alright, let's see what he says. Let me check the chat. W Hunter, welcome to the stream. Brand direction. Let's just go for gold and black, man. I like gold and black. Let's see what he gives us. Which Superbase project should host the database? I want a new. Oh, I'm in the wrong database. I have to reconnect my Superbase, and you will have to create a new project in my other account. Alright, let me just disconnect this Superbase for a moment, chat. Very important, because I work in multiple Superbases, chat. Always make sure you're working in the right one so you don't fuck up any other projects. Disconnect that. Alright, let me now log into Superbase. Let me confirm that. Alright, that's connected. Go back to the task. Okay, I connected the new, the right Superbase account. It needs to be a new project within that Superbase account. It's connected here in Claude. Thank you. Fable 5, chat, max. Let's fucking get it, man. I'm so excited to see what it's gonna produce, chat. W, Manassi. Welcome to the stream, Manassi. I missed your name out here, man. Dropping a bomb for you. Who's coding right now in Fable 5, chat? Drop a W. If you're coding in Fable 5, let me know. We know exactly what we're making. Let's see, Camber. Welcome to the stream, homie. Let's see. I really hope so. I've got some workation coming up soon, so that would make my life easier. Let's fucking go, man. Everybody coding in Fable 5, aka Mythos, chat. AKA Mythos. Let's see what we get, chat. We got 3 clear projects that we want to achieve today, chat, with Mythos. I will put it on max mode. So we want to build the landing page, we want to build the dashboard, the database, and a project collaboration tool. Very simple. Let's see how smart it is, chat. This is things that actually every company can build. Any company in the world needs a project management tool or an idea collaboration tool. Definitely, as we are going more and more to a digital world, chat, where people aren't even going into the office anymore. And let's test it. I've got a call with the gang tomorrow. That's the OG gang, chat. You know who you are. What's up, Aries? Welcome to the stream, homie. Claude Mythos Day today, Aries. Let's see what we get out of it, chat. Let's see what we get out of it. I'm gonna see if he created a new project. Boom, he created a new project, chat. Amazing. Incredible. That's so amazing. Right now, I'm really curious on the output. It's been amazing, Manassi. It's been actually amazing. We've had so many incredible shows already. Last Friday was probably one of the highlights for me personally when I learned about Upwork. Today I signed a new client, a major client, 5-figure client on Fiverr. I got 2 more clients in the pipeline. I'm excited for the World Cup. Fable 5 just dropped. Man, I don't know how much better life can get, chat. Like, honestly, I'm not capping. It's really crazy, chat. But let's see what we get as results first, chat. Whoever's new in the chat, don't be shy. Say hi. I see we've got more people than usual. I understand why. It's Claude Mythos Day today. So let me know where you're from. What you vibe coding. That's what Dollar Vibe Club's all about. That's what we're all about on this channel. Manassi, we hit 100k subs, man. Blessed for that. Shout out to everybody subbing up. Please be sure you don't share any sensitive information in this chat and give it all to me in PDF. Star everything out in chat because we're live streaming. Let's see, chat. It might be too late. Let's see how smart Mythos is. He's already working, chat. He's already building the layout. Let's get it. Chat, I'm going to post our community website in the chat. Actually, I'm going to post our Discord. Be sure to join our Discord chat if you haven't yet. And I'll pin our Discord as well. I see Software Creators has been creating a lot of shit. I know he's been working on the APIs, so I'm very curious how that's been. And what he's been spending, but I'll check that later on. Let me post the Discord stream. Manassi, maybe I didn't tell you yet, but Dollar Vibe Club is 100% free. Moving forward, because we hit 100k subscribers so fast, it's 100% free for everybody. You can join now as a free member. dollarvibeclub.com. Let me post it here. There you go, chat. Alright, let's see how the max is taking us, chat. Chat, the new project that I signed for my client is an incredible project, chat. It's a social impact project, so it's a project that will help a lot of people in the world. Mainly in the United States, because they're going to start in the United States. What's up, Forts? Sue! You know the vibes, Forts. Welcome to the stream. Claude Mythos Day today. Chat, at the same time, we're tracking the usage. So let's see how the burn goes. How the burn rate goes. I already see what he's doing here, okay. Handoff first sell, alright, let's see what he does. Let's max it out today, chat. What a time to be alive, chat. AGI is here, man. I think Claude's gonna dominate the market, chat. I think Claude's gonna be the AI that we all bow down to, chat. I'm not lying. At the speed they are moving, chat. It's incredible, man. Let me put you guys in mission control for a moment, then I can spark up. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Alright, let's get the agent running. Come on, man. I'm just checking my Fiverr inbox as we go. I got my gadgets coming this week, chat. Some brand new tech gadgets. I might have to do some lame-ass tech unboxing videos, chat. But I'm gonna do it my style, you know the vibes. Just rip it open type shit. Chat, as you noticed today, I'm gonna try and swear less. I'm gonna try and not play copyrighted music. So that right after the stream we can rebroadcast this as a video. I think this is gonna bang, chat. Tommy, I have a Chromebook and Google offers special offer 3 months free. And in 4th month, pay $20. That's incredible, thoughts. Don't sleep on it. Take the opportunity and use that 3 months to build and kickstart your business, man. Use that opportunity to build and kickstart your business. It doesn't matter that it isn't Fable 5. With what you need to do, with what we need to do, folks, you can get it done with that Gemini model. That's putting it a very good way, Roberto. That's a very insightful way. I don't think Sam Altman would like to hear that, but shout out Sam Altman. If you're watching the stream, tap in, man. We want that collab. But don't forget, chat. Don't forget, Sam Altman is hiding his secret weapon. And his secret weapon is a $1 billion acquisition. Peter Steinberg from OpenClaw. Do not forget that, chat. Do not forget that. And he's holding that weapon at the backhand. He's holding it for moments like these, chat. You'll see. OpenAI is gonna drop some news within the next 2 days. New gadgets coming in, Manassi, especially for the channel. I can say what I got, but basically I'll be on workation. I'll be traveling in July. So I bought some gadgets so that I can take the stream with me. You know what I mean? Take the YouTube with me, chat. Man, it's an incredible season. The year is only Q1. We've just started Q2, chat, and we're already on fire, chat. Rocket to the moon, that's what we're doing, man. Check out the Dollar Vibe Club. Let me show you the world that we've got running. Let's get it, chat. DollarVibeClub.com, man. Members all around the world. 45 countries, 223 members, chat. Come on. Come on. Time is now, chat. The time is now. And in the next 8 months, I told my nephew as well. In the next 8 months, I'm not stopping. He shouldn't stop as well. He's on a good trajectory. But after those 8 months, chat, I'm a ball out and I'm a disappear on the face of the earth for a month or something. But by then, agents will be running everything for me. You know what I mean, chat? Fable 5, man. That's incredible. I already gonna use Fable 5 when I'm on remote location, just from the mobile, and dispatch that shit. I'm testing it one by one, chat. I also don't want to overload the system. I can imagine that Claude is going through a massive spike today. I'm sure of it. Let's see what the output is, chat. The output is going to be the most important for us. Let's see what the output is. We'll judge on output, chat. And I need this tool for tomorrow because tomorrow we have our first HQ meeting. What's up today? Welcome to the stream, homie. That's crazy, boy. That's crazy. Search on Google, each dot is 3.2. That's crazy, man. The world is so big, chat. And trust me, the client that I'm working for next week, chat, I signed the contract today. A verbal agreement, but I'm confident it will get signed into dollars. But trust me, those clients, they focus on a niche and they just dominate the niche, chat. You only need 5,000 members to have a solid platform. And that client has a lot of potential. But that's for next week, chat. That's for next week. Right now, we're going to test the hell out of Opus. No, not Opus. Fable 5. We're on max mode, chat. Yeah, today, I said it. It feels like yesterday that we just were testing Opus 4.8, chat. Literally, how long is it ago? I was just testing it. I made a video on it. That video did amazing. So I had a video. And how many days was that ago? 10 days ago, they dropped 4.8, chat. And now 10 days later, they drop in Fable. Is that crazy or not, chat? That's crazy. Let's see, what's it burning? Oh, it's going good on token burn rate, actually. It's going pretty good. Let's run it and see what we get. It's building into the super base right now, chat. That really is crazy. 10 days, new model. W's in the chat, everybody. I see we're busy, then more busy than usual. If you're new here, please say hi. Don't be shy type shit. Let's build the community. Tell me what you're building. Are you a vibe coder, traditional coder? Where you're watching from, what country? And join our Discord. We're doing things differently out here. If you follow our channel, you know. I've been streaming exactly 80 days today, chat. 80 days, and we've already had like 3 models pass by. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, what's going on? Allow Claude to permanently delete files. Yeah, man, fuck it, YOLO, chat. We're here to test it for you. We're here to test it for you, man. We don't even read anymore, chat. YOLO mode, chat. Shout out to the homies, Born to the Beat, Forts, Turaya, Manassi. If there's any new people in the chat, these homies, they're legit, they're friendly, don't be shy, man. Tap in. I'm telling you. We vibe coders, we are behind our PCs, coding alone. The next generation is co-work online, chat. We've got the studio here, chat. You guys know it. Let me log in. I'll log in. Last week, Friday, we had a classroom going on. We've got all the rooms set up here, chat. Co-work of the future. If you're building a project, if you're looking for funding, if you're looking for distribution, if you're looking to launch, if you think you've got the next $1 million app, come and present it on the stage during the stream. We've got 100,000 subscribers. Our videos and rebroadcasts reach up to 10K. The stage is yours, man. I'm opening up this community. This stream is open for the community. You know what I mean, chat? Come on, let's run it. You know the vibes, man. We're open for business, chat. We're open for business. Let me see if the homie... I won't say his name on stream yet, chat, but you all know who I'm talking about. Let me see if he tried. Nah, he gave up, chat. That's all good. I respect it. I hope he comes correct as a normal user, chat. What a time to be alive, man. Fable 5. Who would have thought? Randomly on a Tuesday night, chat. It's 1 AM out here. Who would have thought? If you are building anything, chat, join the Discord. If you're building anything right now in Fable 5, join the Discord. I'm changing this room to Fable 5. Drop all your Fable 5 builds here, chat. Drop them all in the Discord. Drop them all in the Discord. If you're building in Fable 5, drop it here. I'll review on stream. I'm building myself as well. Alright, now I need a URL, obviously. Let me see what I've got. Show in folder. PDF handover. Let me see if it gave me a URL, chat. Boom. Temp URL. Okay, wait. What is the temp URL that I get to use? Did you deploy it to Vercel so I can visit it directly in my browser, please? Man, that only took 5% to burn that entire website. Don't tell me that only took 5%, chat. That's crazy. Come on, burn it up, put it on Vercel, deploy it, please. Stop playing, boy. You have access to Vercel for me, right? Or can't I just give you access somehow and you just set it up for me? I don't want to run it on localhost. I want to run it published on a URL. Man, I'm struggling with that. Vercel publishing, chat, but let's see if he helps me. Let's see if Fable helps me, chat. We're basically doing what anybody that's not a pro vibe coder would do, so... Come on. Don't think too hard, homie. Come on, Fable. I love the name, chat. I do love the name, Fable. W's in the chat for the name or not? W's in the chat for the name or not? Connect. Connecting now, chat. Oh, I have to add a project or what? Alright, let's just run it. Allow. He should have access now. Vercel is connected. You should be able to deploy now. What an amazing way to deploy, chat. I don't even have to know anything. Trust me, chat, I never use Vercel. I'm just getting to learn Vercel. Incredible time, Andre. And I'm gonna try and get this as autonomous as possible. But we'll talk about that. Let's brainstorm tomorrow at the HQ meeting, chat. OG chat, I should say. Alright, deploy that, baby. Check in Discord. Did you build that in Claude? What is this? What is this? Thoughts. That has nothing to do with the stream, thoughts. Post that in, not in this group, man. Keep the group for the group, man. Alright, man, but keep the group for the group, man. You can post that to me directly, personally. So we gotta stay on topic today, chat. I'm also recording a video. Come on, deploy it. Deploy it. I want to see the landing page, chat. Yeah. Yeah, that's not the right way to go about it, Andre, but I'll shut up about it. I won't bitch too much today. Oh, you see, Forts, you got me saying dirty words. I don't want to say any swear words, chat. I had a few other videos that Claude was doing. I don't know what this is. Fable simulates the solar system. That's crazy, chat. And then Fable sets up fluid liquid. Wow, chat. Music videos, chat. Music videos. Oh yeah, that's a good thing to test, Andre, the DVC globe. That would be a good thing to test. Let me put that on the to-do. Alright, so that's what we're building today, chat. Network's open. Alright, I need an API key, chat. So it says Vercel, account settings. Where's that? Tokens. New token. I'll call it Fable 5. I'll give it 7 days. Full account. Create. Copy that token. And then I've got to go to the same co-work. Alright, so let me open the folder. Where did it give it to me? Save it into the new text file called Vercel token. I can't find that text file. In the same co-work outputs folder where the zip and PDF landed. Do not paste in chat. Well, I know not to paste in chat, but give me a minute, chat. I'm trying to figure it out. Can you give me a hyperlink here so I can open the folder and find the file directly, the Vercel-token file? We just ask AI, chat. When I'm struggling, we just ask AI. That's how simple it is, chat. Game over for sure. And I'm excited that Fable just dropped, chat, because I just signed a major client for next week. It's a 5-figure project. Estimated to be done in 3 to 5 weeks. 3 milestones. Super excited for it. It's actually a project that I wanted to do. It's a project that helps society a bit. Let's put it that way. Alright, pasting the token now. Token has been pasted. You can continue deploying. Thank you. Yeah, Hunter, I have a mission for you and Phoenix tomorrow. And I'll set up Phoenix with a Fable account. I'll get him the 5x possibly. But I need you to take the lead in that for Dollar Vibe Club version 3.0. So what you guys see here is 2.5. But I need you guys to take it over from me. And you guys, I want you to take the lead in that, Hunter, for the stream, for your stream. The development process, and I want you to lean on Phoenix for design. But we're going to talk about it tomorrow. We got an hour to chit chat about it. Camber, Fable is the new model of Claude. Or was that smiley face a joke? No, Camber. Fable is huge. Fable, and I'm on max mode, chat, so I'm just letting it run like fully vibed up, pumped up. I feel you, man. It's like Xbox and PlayStation, Camber. It's like Xbox and PlayStation, bro. I feel you, man. But I would advise you, Camber, if you are making some money with Codex, my advice to you is give Opus a try. Give Fable a try. Give Fable a try. That's my true opinion to you. And I'll do the same with Codex. What's up, software? Amazing to see you. I've seen you've been working at it, man. What's up, Ritesh? Welcome to the stream, homie. Fable, we don't know yet. We're going to get the first results in about 60 seconds, chat. We're going to get the first results in about 60 seconds. Well, right now I'm burning it and I'm token tracking. And it's being reasonable for what we're asking it to do. And what I'm asking it to do, chat, is normal people stuff. Any business owner would need this stuff. Except for the chess and the world game, but any business owner needs a landing page, needs a dashboard, needs an authentication system. Dark View, alright, shout out to Bridgemind, man. I like it that he took my name in his mouth then. Good or bad, shout out to Bridgemine. I can confidently say, Darkview, that I did not buy any subs. And I will confidently open my dashboard on YouTube. I have nothing to hide. And chat, I will tell you one thing. Don't buy subscribers, don't bot your streams, because YouTube will ban you. And these 106,000 subscribers are legitimate. But shout out to Bridgemine for putting my name in his mouth, man. I've already passed him, homies. Homies a level down me when it comes to subscribers, so let's compete. Other than that, nothing but love, man. Matthew, I used to watch you in the days. You definitely gave me the idea. There's a market for streaming live. Alright, chat. Haters gonna hate, chat. That's all I can say. It's all good. I'm not worried about that. Life is pretty amazing right now. Fable 5 dropped. I just signed a 5-figure client. I've got 2 more 5-figure clients in the pipeline. World Cup starting. UFC 250 is coming up. Chat, come on. I'm going to Bangkok soon. I got a workation. Come on. Life is amazing. Life is amazing, chat. You won't hear me speak ill about the others, chat. I'm in my own lane, chat. We are in our own lane. To be really honest, we are in our own lane. And the guys that I'm bringing on board, the gang, the HQ, the ones I've invited to the meeting call tomorrow, I want to see what we can do to really turn this, transform this into a legitimate business. But don't worry, chat, we're good. Come on. Ooh, he's giving me a URL, chat. Let's go. Oh, let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. Wow. Wow. Alright. I would have liked this next to each other. So let's give him some tips back. Okay. Change the slogan to... And then the five members, I would like to show them in one row within the section, and you can make it a bit more styled and nicer cards. And just use demo profile pictures for now. I will get you the right profile pictures. Let's see what else we can fine tune. I just want to see how it is vibe coding here, chat. I think I can feel the difference, and I like the animation already. I like it a lot. That's exactly what I had in mind. I just need to change the slogan, but that's more copy. That's on me. And this is basically gonna be our HQ. Wow, I like the logo. And these are the guys we're gonna try and get it done. I want to get Phoenix on the design side, Hunter lead for version 3, PR. I want to get that big brain going. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I want to get our own IDE going, you know what I mean? Type shit. Let's get those two going. And Andre, let's see what we can work out. I think we should put it more on a strategic marketing level. And then how we can turn that into conceptual ideas, Andre. If you guys are down, like, I don't want it to be a job for you guys. It has to be fun. But these are the 5 OGs that I've bonded the most with over time. And that I'm pretty confident can make $1 million as a team. Alright, Phoenix, thank you, man. Shout out to you. Welcome to the stream. It's a dollar vibe. It's a Fable kind of day, Phoenix. Let me see. That's amazing. I'm going to update the thumbnail right now, chat. Let me update the thumbnail right now while the agent is working. Let me go to the YouTube stream, live, click the live, click the thumbnail, save it. Where did I save it? And the hashtag folder, alright. Change, hashtag folder. I love the color, Phoenix. Running it straight up. Phoenix, if you can do me a huge favor, and you don't have to do it now, you can do it whenever. If you can do me a huge favor and just make me one more alternative thumbnail so that I can A/B test it with the 3 thumbnails when I republish. Just a random different style, and then I'm gonna use the third one, the thumbnail that I had. I wanna see an A/B test which one bangs better, marketing wise. Thank you, Phoenix. Thank you so much, Phoenix. Meeting tomorrow. Dark AI, if you're in the stream and you can clip what Bridge Mindset, send it to me. That would be a great short. I'll make a reply. I'll give you some YouTuber drama, Dark, if you can do that for me, clip it, send it to me on Discord, and I'll make a banger short reply. Let's get it, Dark. You know the vibes, man. Stop the cap. Come on. It is working good through the time, I have to say, and that's probably because it's on max mode, chat. I'm building like an actual user, an average user would. So I'm token tracking as well. We're doing pretty good on that, and we'll see. Step by step, it's going to get more complex for the agent. We've got 4 things that we want to build today for Fable, and step by step it becomes more complex and more complex. So let's see. All right, let's refresh it. Oh, where did he actually do that? Did you actually push it to the domain? Because when I visit... Did you actually push it to the domain? Because when I visit the Vercel domain, the changes are not showing. I'm just building a HQ landing page, chat, for tomorrow. This is just internally, but I believe that this team will need a presentation sooner or later for investors. So it will happen from the Dollar Vibe HQ. And that's the back end. That's the people going to be behind the Dollar Vibe Club brand, let's say. And obviously the team is open to grow in the future, but we'll work on that step by step. I'll also add in a submit your resume, and then we can decide as a team what we want to do with that. But let's see if he's pushing it first. You should have the token there all the time, because we're going to do a bunch of changes up and down, so you should be able to do the changes and then instantly publish. So you have the token there. Nah, I don't need that for you, Phoenix. You're already in the gang, man. Phoenix, you're good, man. You're legit. You've proven yourself already in results, man. I care about results mostly, chat. Alright, let me just paste the Vercel token one more time because he's tripping, chat. Give me a moment. Why did he delete it, man? It should be there. I just saved it. Come on, come on, come on. Load it in. Get our company landing page going. Chat, this is just demo text, so we will put the right roles and text in it. Don't worry, I'll let each member choose their own name. It's all good. Let's see how he takes on the edits, chat. That's the most important. Let me go back face cam. Let me first spark, puff, and then face cam, chat. Because I'm going to use this stream as a video after, so I'll rebroadcast it. That way people get to put a face to the voice. What's up, chat? If you're new here, drop a message, man. Thank you very much, Ritesh. Clap it up for the 106k, chat. Bobby, welcome to the stream. I haven't seen that name yet. We could do that. We could do that, but right now I'm not really doing anything complex. I think it's just getting to know me, because normally I work in Replit chat and GitHub. Now I'm working directly into Vercel and Superbase. But I'll say it on the next run, Bobby. Bobby, you a vibe coder, man? And what country are you watching from? I would love to know, but you don't have to disclose, obviously. The FBI ain't watching type shit. Or might be watching. Red Bull, sponsor me, man. I know you guys are sponsoring hackathons and vibe events. Get me as a main first vibe code streamer to have that Red Bull deal. I've already reached out to multiple networks there. Chat, let's get it, man. Nah, it's not showing, man. The change is still not showing. So please figure it out. Come on, Fable. And don't make any mistakes. Make sure I can review the last version on the URL you just published. The key is active for 7 days. Will not be revoked until 7 days. Come on, chat. What's up, Johnny? Welcome to the stream, man. Welcome to the stream, Johnny. Thank you, Johnny. That means a lot, man. That does mean a lot, chat. And I would ask the OGs, if you ever see a video of me drop a comment, you know the vibes. So you don't get those little crybabies on the sidelines saying, hey, get them comments. That is my fault, chat, as a YouTuber. I have to ask in the videos, I have to ask people to subscribe, to like. And I'm not a YouTuber, you know, I've been doing this shit for 80 days. This is new to me. So I'm learning as we go, chat. But don't worry, I'll get viewership up. I'll get comments up. I'll get likes up, chat. Don't worry. It's all about learning the game, chat. And I'm just learning as we're going, you know the vibes. What's up, PR, the man, the myth, the legend. One of the 5 musketeers. PR. Don't worry about the title, PR. That's just demo content. You'll set up your own role and your own text. I'm building this for tomorrow so that we can get a little project going. Project management going. You've got more experience in that field, so tomorrow any advice that I can get, I will be picking your brain. Chat, let's get it, man. Great time to be alive. I'm going to say it one more time. Fable 5, UFC 205, World Cup starting. Just signed a 5-figure client. 2 more 5-figure clients coming up. Workation coming up. Bangkok travels coming up. YouTube content coming up with new gadgets. Fuck out of here, man. This is a crazy season, chat. Q2 of 2026 is a banger. Nice, PR. Let me know what you're building in the Discord. I made a Fable channel. Drop it in the Fable channel, man. Drop it in the Fable channel. What you building? Well, he's building it in... did you build that with Fable? Nice. You did that in your platform, but with the Fable API? Ooh, very nice. A bit too many stars. A bit too many stars, though. Oh, I like it a lot. This is very detailed, chat. I don't need the stars. The stars are annoying me. Take out the stars and this is going to look cool as hell, chat. This is probably cooler than what Claude showed here. Claude just showed it here. Look, that's way cooler than... You should send that to Claude, Twitter. Maybe they might retweet you, Yusef, no cap. Remove the stars. The stars are annoying. It's like my TV when I had no... It's like static TV when I had no program. Now remove the stars and this is gonna be dope. Wow. Wow. Chat, remove the stars and this is gonna be dope. Alright, chat, let's come back to it later. Let's go back to the burn rate. Done. Let me see. Nah, man. He's struggling, chat. Is he struggling or am I struggling? I see where the mistake is. I don't need you to do it on a v2 subdomain. Nobody asked you that. I need you to update the current domain. So delete your subdomain and only create subdomains when I ask it, and build those updates directly on the version that we were building. Otherwise, we're gonna have too many pages and it's gonna get out of hand. Come on, Fable, this is a rookie mistake. Are you top GAI LLM or what? Thank you. I just said thank you, chat. If it ever comes back as Skynet, I don't want it to fuck me up, you know what I mean? But come on, that's I'm not going to version 2. I can go to version 2, but I don't want to, chat. You see? And even in version 2, it ain't showing it. Ah, he got me wrong. I know what he did. You changed the subtitle. I need the main hero title to be changed, and then the subtitle, I'll fill that in after. Come on. Let me know what you're going to be building, PR. We blessed with Fable today, chat. Make it the headline, and for subtitle you can add in sorry chat, I had to type. Tommy, I'm building something really, a small game engine. It's like Adobe style. You can also build 3D and 2D game. You can connect it to a engine. Use the engine to build it for 2 years. The engine to build so that for 2 years. But I'm confused what you mean, Forts. That's a lot of text in one sentence. And what I've gathered out of it is that you've been building for 2 years a game engine. What I would ask you back is, send me a game that I can play that you built on that engine, and that will be the final test for me, you know what I mean? Oh, sorry, chat. Sorry, thanks, Forts, thanks. I just had a little slime from talking. No. I'm not muted. No, I was saying, chat, I'm using Fable Max, which is taking a long time. But probably for this kind of job, you would need Fable Medium. They said on a few other people's streams that Fable Medium is probably the same equivalent as Opus 4.8 Max. No, Forts, I said to you, show me a game that you build in that engine so I can test it. Boom, there we go, chat. There we go. Very nice. Very nice. I think that's all we need for this part. And now I'm gonna say to build. Wait, could we add anything in it? All right, I'll add a section in it. Chat, Fable, right below the 5 members, founding fathers, add in a new section and make it a section. Join the team. Some short info text, what they have to do, and then a form where we kind of ask them about their skills, experience, and some of sample projects that they had. They should be able to send us their GitHub and URLs. So make it join the team onboarding friendly form and make sure it fits within the same style. So feel free to add in fields and questions that I might be missing that are very important when onboarding team members. Alright, let's just build it. Let it build that out. There's a few people that I want to get to fill that out. For example, we got Marta, we got software creators. There's a few people in the chat that I know have got skills. Let's see. You're allowed to build any game that you want, software creators. You're allowed to build any game that you want, man. And I would love to see it, whatever you're building. You're allowed to build it under our brand name. It's a community name. Then next up, I need you to get started on the team member login. So when we click it, we get a login box and a password box. User fills in their username and their password, and then they access a dashboard. We will only have 5 accounts on the platform for now. Nobody is able to join. Nobody is able to create accounts. No registration forms, nothing. Just 5 accounts with a forgot password option in it, so that when a user comes to the platform for the first time and hasn't got a password, they can reset the account. And I will give you the 5 email addresses off stream, but I will give you the first user after via email. The idea of this collaboration board, once they log in, is we've got a couple of projects going on and we would like to be able to add them and then track and get somewhere that we can get a project going into milestones, so that we can go from idea to shipping it and launching it and suggesting it and advising it to our users. I don't want a classic project management tool with tasks and all that boring shit. I'm thinking of a modern co-work community. 5 members can join in. They got different projects. You click a project and you basically get a kind of a project wall. We can type things in it. We can request. Somehow we should be able to set up tasks, but then maybe milestone based. So maybe we need a Kanban style or something. I'm not fully clear on what the best way is, but what's most important is that it needs to be simple, intuitive, and actually usable for the 5 members that will be running and building these projects behind the scenes. Dishwasher, what's up, man? I used to be a dishwasher, homie. Shout out to all the dishwashers, chat. Can you paste my prompt? What's your prompt, dishwasher? What's your prompt? Be sure to finish your existing tasks first. Publish that to Vercel, the same domain that I said, and then build upon the next task that I just described above. Let's just let it keep adding tasks, chat. Mine is in Fable right now. I'm in Fable 5. Not just Fable, Fable 5 Max. Well, right now I'm getting what I need to get, dishwasher. So we're gonna put it through 4 tests. And I call these normal people testing. So this is basically something that any real business would need in the world. Any business owner, any startup, any entrepreneur needs a landing page and needs a dashboard to manage their business, and need a collaboration tool if they want to grow. Then we're gonna build 2 fun things. A globe to track memberships and a full 3D chess game with style switches. So we can go Asian style, African continent style, European style, and the pawns should change. That's the idea I have. There's a glitch. I can use your prompt. Where's your prompt, dishwasher? I can't see it. Maybe you should go to Discord. I don't know if you posted it on Discord. Post your prompt in the Fable 5 channel. And I'll see what the prompt is before I post it, you know what I mean? And then I'll add it to the task. If it's a good prompt, I'll add it here. I'll say dishwasher. And that depends how good your prompt is. Stream knows how much I love prompting, chat. I love to vibe max it. Sometimes it's don't make no mistakes. Figure it out. Get it done. No, that's probably because you're posting some shit that's not allowed, dishwasher. And then YouTube's blocking that automatically, so I can't see that. So post it in the Discord, dishwasher. And let's take it from there, man. But welcome to the stream. Let me clap it up for you. Tomorrow is going to be a huge day in subscribers, chat, because as soon as I get to repost this video, I know it's going to bang. Alright, we're 1 hour in, chat. Let me take a stretcher myself. Let the agent run this. Let me open the Dollar Vibe Club world on the background. Alright, and I'll leave the world on here so you guys can see the members going around. And I'll be right back, chat. I gotta take a stretcher myself. I'm gonna turn up the music a bit for you guys, but I'm not gonna put copyrighted music on because I don't want to do too much editing after. Alright, chat, be right back. Good stream so far, man. I'm enjoying it. That's what vibe coding should be all about at the end of the day, chat. You gotta love it, this shit. I get butterflies in my belly every time I see an agent produce something, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Let's run it. I'll be right back. Round 2, chat. Fable. Fable 5, chat, round 2. Let me get back locked in. I just got a Fiverr message while I was out, so let me check that. Alright, that's all good. I can follow that up after. Let me go back to the stream channel. Let me turn on the AC chat. Let me see what Claude's up to. Fable 5. Alright, dishwasher, I like that. I like that. I like that. Let's put it here. Why? What's your prompt gonna do? How fast is it gonna crash me? How fast is it gonna crash me, dishwasher? I can't just be posting random prompts, right? What's it gonna do to my PC, chat? I'm scared to post it, dishwasher, I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm scared to post that. We've had some attacks the past few days on stream, chat, so I'm honestly scared to post that. Alright, now I'm just gonna ask it for... let me show in folder, let me open it. Oh, can't I edit that? Alright. Tommy at... File, save. Okay, I just added my email and a password that I want you to use. Don't reference the password in the chat here because we're live streaming. Just make sure that that is seeded into the database so that I can log into the dashboard. Alright, let's see how smart he is, chat. Alright, let me see if he gets this done. Anybody can vouch for dishwasher, chat? Is that safe to type into Fable? Or is it gonna burn down my system? You know the vibes, man. Them script kiddies, they are smart. They be finding out all the last thingies. I will check it in a few moments, software. Nah, dishwasher, I don't need you to say it's safe. It's like a drug dealer telling me drugs ain't bad. Don't do drugs, chat. No, indeed, I don't know you personally, dishwasher, that's why. I know a lot of the OG chatters here, so I'm scared to just post it like that, chat. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not scared, I'm just not in the mood to have to deal with any bullshit while I'm having an amazing stream, you know what I mean? And dishwasher, it's above my pay grade, man. I'm just a dumbass making internet money. Like, I'm just blessed that I tap into internet tools and I'm a dumbass, so... I wouldn't know if you injecting. I don't even know what injecting is, bro. But you speaking about injecting making me more scared. Don't worry, chat. Don't worry, dishwasher. Hang around long enough, and you might even just win a Fable plan for 1 month. I do challenges here. I do giveaways on the channel. Last month, Sans won a $200 plan, and then you can run it, man. No stress, man. No stress. Yes. We had Sans win a $200 prize. So join up, dishwasher. And I'll let you know when the next challenge is. I've already built the hackathon room. We basically have a hackathon room here. So you can see, I'll show you the last time. Oh, let me delete that. There we go. Okay, so these were the challenges last time. We had 20 people participate, chat. And they built... We gave them 3 ideas and they had to choose one idea and build it. and then they built 24 hours, and then they had to submit it. Isn't this loading or what's going on here? Alright, so these are the applications the last winners built, and the winner here was, I believe, Pushpet. Amazing idea. I still want to roll that in. What's up, Gorav? It's been a while. Nah, dishwasher, I'm not giving it. You have to earn it. And join Dollar Vibe Club, and soon you will be able to go to the hackathon room. Here you will have 12 hours. You need to build me something in 12 hours. And the winner takes the subscription. I'll have a cash prize as well. I'll have Replit credits. Whatever. But I can't just give you $20. You know what I mean? That'd be crazy. Amazing. Alright, this is nice for tomorrow. This is a meeting points. I don't like the contrast here. It's kind of not readable, so... I like this initial setup. I just don't like the contrast of the fields. It doesn't feel readable, actually even usable or intuitive. So can you update everything, make it all a bit slicker? And yeah, get that done first. Publish it right away so I can just refresh on the same URL that I'm using. I use the free plan, bro. I can't build. You can build in any AI tool that you want, dishwasher. So you can use 5 free plans on different things to build something. As long as you can submit something that is vibe coded and that you build live on stream. So you need to be building 12 hours live on stream. You have to share your screen and hear your stream. It will go right to the stream and people will be able to tap in and watch what you're building. So you gotta lock in. Anybody can win. Anybody can win. Where are you from, dishwasher? Where you be washing them dishes? I want to look at the homepage as well, chat. One moment. I want to see the sign up form. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Now I want to make sure that that gets saved into the admin, of course. Also, we got the form on the landing page. Obviously, any submission of that form should be saved into the Supabase and shown via the dashboard for the 5 admin members. So maybe create a menu upstairs where we say projects. The second part we say recruitment. Let me get back on Facecam chat. Say hi to everybody. Alright, we're looking good. Let him build that. I want to see how he gets that done, chat. And you can seed 1 demo form submission so that we can just test it. I'm loving Fable so far, chat, because I'm just feeding tasks into it. Is there a big change with Opus 4.8? I'm guessing it's more detailed because I can already add everything in and let's see. Let's see. We're going to see how he's going to perform on the chess, chat. I'm curious how he's going to perform on the chess. Let him build that out. HQ gang, we'll have our meeting tomorrow just on a Discord call. That's gonna be the easiest. And as we progress, we'll do it in the Dollar Vibe Club in the future. Right now, I've got the times locked in for everybody except PR. I didn't see a confirmation on your end, PR. Let me know if that time works for you, if you want an hour later, earlier. Come on, burn it. How many tokens did we burn so far? Alright, only 11%, chat. And it's pretty incredible. I have to say, I have to be honest, chat. I have to be honest when honesty is due. And it is actually performing better right now than Replit. If I have to be honest. I'm not talking about deployment and all, but at the same time I am, because it's already deployed. You know what I mean? It's already live. And it did the favicon, it did those are details that I'm just looking at, you know what I mean? What's happening tomorrow, Phoenix? What the, oh yeah, tomorrow the meeting. Yeah, but that's not for the stream, that's just for us. Don't get too hype or people might be sad that they can't join. Alright chat, come on. Pump it, Fable. Pump it, pump it, pump it. These are all the moments that I'm probably going to fast forward during the rebroadcast. So you'll just see me going. Alright, let's see if he actually fixed it. Look at that, chat. He actually is putting in the work, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Shit, man. He is putting in the work. What else could we build here that we would need? Alright, so I'll add another idea. I'm just changing some things around. Alright, this is a detail that I see. Obviously, I would need to be able to edit the project name and stuff once I added it. Also allow me maybe to add a short project description and maybe a project URL so that we can instantly point to the URL of the project. And make sure I can edit that all once the project is created. What's up, Dream? Welcome to the stream. Damn, I love that rhyme. What's up, homie Dream? Welcome to the stream. You know the vibes, man. You know the vibes. It's Fable, Claude Fable day today, aka Mythos. We're building a little platform to test. We've got 4 or 5 dishwashers he'll have to do on his own. We've got 4 things that we're gonna try and build in now. And right now, this is looking good. That's done. That was fast. Deployed from the first go. Now let's build this project manager tool and see how that works. Also on the posting site for the project walls, I should be able to add YouTube links, photos, and perhaps polls as well. If you've got any features, we can poll the features between us 5, you know what I mean? I should obviously also be able to delete posts. Let's sip some Red Bull, chat. What's up with you, Dream? What you doing? Are you using Fable? Are you test driving it? If you're building anything, be like software creators and send it to me and let's test it. He built the Dollar Fight Club, chat. Homie won't be fighting. He built this in Fable, chat, in his own platform using the Fable API. I'll be the CEO, chat. Oh, I can't move. The buttons are not working. I can't move. I can't move. Yeah, my buttons are wrong. I have an American keyboard. Yeah, it needs some work. It needs some work. Alright, but I like that it's possible. It looks like a Roblox game. It looks like a Roblox game, chat. Very nice. Very nice. Here, less stars. Very nice. If anybody is new in the chat, don't be shy, say hi. Gurav, what are you up to, man? What you been building? Are you running Fable or what you doing? Let me sip that Red Bull, chat. Yeah, but it was a good start, software creators. I like that you created it that fast. And it looked good. And if it works, you just got to make sure that it works for all type of keyboards. So you got to do the WASD, and QWERTY and AZERTY type vibe. You know the vibes. But other than that, it looked good. Obviously, the design needs a lot of work, but that's assets. I know that. Oh, chat, I'm so excited to even put Fable to work in either Blender or Unity, chat, because I'm testing some things there. I might go Unity though. Man, it's gonna be, the month's just started and we've got 20 days left to run it up, and I don't know what it means by Fable will be available until 22 June. I don't know if we're gonna need to pay more than, chat. No, after software creators, I gotta rebroadcast this stream, so we gotta do it bit by bit, you know what I mean? Don't worry, I get the gist, software. It's not the first game I tested. I've had a lot of people create a similar game on stream and send it to me. That's like the basic go-to to benchmark it, you know what I mean? Create me Doom type shit. Alright, chat, just to recap, right now Fable is building. I chose to keep it as simple as possible and to use it as an average user. How would an average user optimize Claude Fable Max? Basically, we needed a landing page for a new project that me and a few community members are launching. This is the landing page that we got. Actually, let me hide the bookmarks as well. Alright, so this is just a private network website. We got our team members here, and if you want to join the team in the future, you will be able to. And then at the same time, we're building a backend for it so that me and the 5 founding OG members can start actually shipping projects that we want to ship and bring them each to 1 million. Nah, don't continue. I don't think you can make some money with that, so I don't think that's an interesting one to put time in. All right, nice. Photo works. Let's see what he says. Paste any YouTube link. Nice. Polls. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Very nice. Alright, so this is basically what Fable made for me and my team tomorrow, which is very, very useful. And in Replit, this would have costed around $20. And here it costs us nothing but our subscription. So that's a pretty big leap forward when it comes to my book for demos. You guys know I love creating demos. Alright, that's perfect. Let's put it to the next test, chat. That was incredible. We're gonna pause this project here. And I want you to start a completely new project. But you can do it in the same Superbase account and the same Vercel account. Just create new projects in those both. And basically what I want you to simulate is I want a landing page with a unique spinning globe where all the members are listed of our website. And for this demo, you can just simulate 224 members across 24 countries, and they have to be city marked. Now, what I was been trying to do for a while now was trying to get Google Street View in it, so that when I zoom into a map, I can basically click it, go to Google Street View on that location, and I can walk through that user's city. So it needs to be on city location, obviously. At the same time, on the right side of that map landing page, I want it to be floating, a nice background, something that represents the world or the universe. The globe in the middle, big spinning, members on it. On the right side, I want a table that shows all 224 demo users, what countries they're from, their times, in their time zone. And then we should have a badge that shows their name and whether they are vibe coders or students. So yeah, start that up and you can call the project. There is a sample that I'm going to send to you, and I'm absolutely in love with that design. Maybe you should even visit it in the Chrome browser. It's a collaboration that iShowSpeed did with Expedia. Let's see what we get, chat. Let's see what we get. Second project. First results, pretty happy. I don't have to go back and forth with the agent. Usually I'm like, oh, do this, do this, do this. Now you can pretty much give it a big task, I feel like, and it will get it done at a reasonable pace. I definitely have to create better MD files now and a better agent profile. That's what I'm going to be working on tomorrow, chat. I'm going to create an agent profile that builds demos, that builds websites, that takes on projects. Because now, these are things that he should know. When I'm able to add a new project, I should be able to edit a project. You know what I mean? I shouldn't be able have to go in and say, please add that in it. So let's see. I'm going to create those documents tomorrow probably. Now let's see how nice he makes the landing page. This is the current globe that we have. I'm not 100% satisfied with the design here. And obviously I want that street view linked into it. So let's see what Claude can do. This is made in Replit, the other one, for Opus 4.8. Let's get it, man. Super exciting to do. Now I'm building, chat, so I'll show you guys. We are putting Claude Fable through the ringer. We just did 2 projects pretty successfully, I would argue. I can already use the platform tomorrow with my team. And hopefully we can get things going. And the next is the globe, and then we have the fun one to close off. That's the chess game. But I want a chess game 3D with style switches so I can switch the country that I'm in and play in that country. I'm excited to run that last chess one because that one I'm going to put through the ringer with a mega prompt. Chat, whoever's here, drop a like. I hate asking it, but I gotta ask it. That's what YouTube tells us to do as well. Drop a like, sub up, share this video with at least one person that you think should tap into AI, vibe coding, and internet money. I just signed the client today, chat, 5 figures contract with a potential for another 5 figures on top of that. I love the project. I'm very selective in my projects right now. It's a project with social impact, chat. I'm going to be building it on the stream. And I'm very excited. But basically today is the Claude Fable day. Let's see if we can do it, software creators. And if you want, you can take the same prompt. I'll send it to you in the Discord. And see what it does. I'll send it to you. Run it through your IDE and see what it does. Run it through your IDE and see what it does. You can figure that out. If not, no problem. But I know you like to put your software through the ringer, so here you go. Alright, come on, build it for me. I want to see it. I want to see the globe. He is doing some amazing screenshot work. I can see that. I need you to take the time and load in so that you actually see the globe and not just the landing page. I love that I can now just bang in my things and it's just running it. Opus 4.8 was a bit difficult with that. Let's see the result, chat. This is Opus 4.8. Let's see Fable 5. Fable 5, baby. Just as a reference, I want it super detailed as the screenshot you see from me. That's the page you're visiting. You can see how the world is divided in grids. Each grid is clickable. You can go in, you can click, but instead with him, I would like to go to Street View. I'm running it, man. I'm running it. I'm giving it more prompts, obviously. What's up, Kigago? Nice, Kigago. Welcome to the stream. It's been a while, man. If I'm not wrong, I think Indonesia or Philippines. Indonesia or Philippines. Kigago, the dollarvibeclub.com is completely free. I don't know if you were a member, but if you were, I've cancelled the subscriptions. Go join. It's completely updated, Kigago. I didn't see you here in a while. Let me know if I need to verify your account, but you should be able to join. I think you also had an account, so shout out to you. Let me run one more thing, chat. I want to run something. This is the feeling I'm getting right now. And I had this sound effect prepared, but I was never able to use it, chat. But this is the feeling I'm getting right now with Claude Fable. I'm not going to lie, and I'm probably going to be awake the entire night. But this is the feeling I'm getting, kind of, chat. Listen up.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm! What's the procedure, everyone?
Stay calm, chat.
Wait. Everybody calm down!
It's happening, chat. AGI is here, man. I'm not gonna lie. And definitely for the shit that we're using it for, we're just using it to make internet money. For those who don't know, I might just drop that midstream, a little self-promo. I'm a top-level Fiverr seller. I've had my own agency for the last 25 years. And most recently, we've been selling vibe-coded projects on stream. 39 projects shipped since January 2026. I do not sell below my premium package, to be honest. And all I can say to you guys is thank you for joining the journey, man. Means a lot. And whoever knows, I'll be doing more Fiverr in the future. But today, it's all about Claude, man. AGI is here. It's going to get us to $1 million easy, chat. Easy. Replit is expensive but worth it. Good as a foundation if you're working with commercial clients, chat. If you're working with commercial clients, Replit is the only way to go. Do not deploy your clients on any other platform right now, is my opinion. I don't know any better, chat, because I'm not a tech bro. I just go with safety. I don't want the shit afterwards when I'm traveling and the client calls me. If it tells you to use Cesium, Fable 5 is smart. Alright, let's see what it does, software. That's a good thing to know. Chat, go tell everybody, man. Fable 5. What a name. I wonder who comes up with those names at the office, chat. I really wonder. And I wonder why they would say, like, let's put a 5 on it. Motherfuckers be sitting there thinking all day, chat. That's corporate. I wonder if they thought about it a minute or all day. That's really, I wonder. Let's see if I can get Dario on the stream, chat. Let's invite Dario to the podcast. What do you think, chat? Let's invite Dario, right? What could we ask him? Dario, if you're watching this stream, shout out to you, man. You built a great product with your sister. I love that you did it in a family business concept-wise. Come on to the stream, man. Chill vibes out here, don't worry. While I'm doing that, let me actually see if I can add all my Elgato soundboards back. I found a way to do it easy. I just gotta search the name of the track. Come on, man, start building that globe. I'm very curious to the results, chat. This is the old version. Let's see if it's an L or a W, chat. Come on. Give me the result, man. He's working hard, chat. How many tokens is he burning on this part? Definitely not many, chat. The token burn is pretty good on max. I'm running on max, chat. The token burn's pretty solid. Come on, run them characters, boy. Let me spark up chat. The vibes, the music today, chat, is AI generated music, but the vibe's definitely high with this track. I ain't gonna lie, man. It's got my heart pumping a bit. I might have to turn on the AC, actually. It's a very fitting song with Fable 5 drop, I ain't gonna lie. Come on, build it, boy. Build it, baby. I need it. Please be good. Please, Fable. Don't be tapping out like that. I need you to be high level, Fable. Come on. Come on, man. I need you at the highest level. Sigbus. Is that a good module? Software? Sigbus. And I'm gonna use your Cesium after. I'm gonna tell it. and see what it does. Man, Claude, Vercel, and Superbase chat, you're unstoppable. Claude, Vercel, and Superbase, you're unstoppable. You can literally build anything tonight. Damn, man, this is not good for my sleep routine, chat. This shit is gonna keep me up all night, man. I already know it. And I'm so excited for the new client project. Come on, burn it, burn it, burn it. Mr. Redacted. Welcome to the stream, homie. I remember that name from a mile away. Alright, software creators. Alright. Soon showcase. Come on, I want to see the globe. I want to see the globe, chat. And then I can't wait for the chess game, chat. I can't wait for the chess game coming up. So, whoever's tuning in just now, we've got 4 tasks that we put in Claude Fable through the ringer. We built the first 2 successfully. And next up, we're building this one. A dollar vibe landing page with a globe. Something cool, something sexy. Ritesh, I'm gonna get the email this week, I think. You gotta get verified and approved once YouTube sends it. Then hopefully it's in time so that I can pick it up in Bangkok. But it's gonna probably be sent to Belgium, so if I can't get it shipped to Bangkok, I'll probably have my nephew unbox it on his stream. Shout out my nephew, man. He's the one that supports me behind the stream as well, chat. Shout out Hunter Yip Labs, you know the vibes, man. He's doing exactly the same as me, chat. Only he's sharing his journey. He's a premium Fiverr seller as well. So if you go to his profile, he's followed the exact same blueprint as me. He's making stacks, chat. You can follow his journey on his channel. Shout out to him. Let me drop it in the YouTube chat. And basically, if I'm not streaming, he's streaming. Dev Team Drew, I remember you, homie. I remember you, homie. I remember that name, Ritesh. All old names seen back today. Kigago, Redacted, Dev Team Drew. I almost called you Andrew back in the days, but I know it's Drew. If you want to follow the journey, the same lifestyle, but then from an 18-year-old chat, and he's way more healthier than me, he goes to the gym and shit. So for the young bloods, he'll be running the young blood division. And I'll be running the old people division, you know what I mean? The OG division, I'll put it that way. But chat, we're on to an incredible journey, man. The next 8 months, I keep telling my nephew Hunter every day, the next 8 months, man, and I'm happy he's in the roller coaster with me because it's gonna be wild, chat. I'm telling you that, man. Not just what we're doing, but what the AI companies are doing, chat. That's even bigger. These are even things. Look at what we're building now. We aren't even seeing all the models, chat. We aren't even seeing the best models, chat. Seeding and deploying. Alright, let's get a view. Let's get a view, chat. I'm very excited. I've been trying this street view thing for a while. Alright, you see, that's how much I know about tech language. Tech jargon. You can consider me a tech ninja at the back, man. And I just take off my ninja suit and I go sell it on the front end, chat. Man, the vibes are great as he's seeding and deploying. The music is good. I don't know if you guys can hear the music really good, but damn, man, that's a vibe, chat. I'm hearing it here on speaker. Let's fucking get it, chat. Come on. We're about to hit the URL and visit it. Come on. Show me, Fable. What can you do? Don't disappoint. Don't disappoint on stream today, man. You better not disappoint, Agent. And this is Agent Kush, chat. You know this machine is called Kush. So Kush better not disappoint, man. Oh, my belly is already starting tingling with butterflies, chat. I'm excited. Like, is it going to be good? Is it going to be better than what I have now? Is it going to be shit? I wonder what happens to all the scraping business websites, chat. Because I figured right now with AI, scraping is pretty easy, right? I could have probably scraped the original members of DVC. Incredible. I want to see the result, man. Come on, Claude. I can't wait any longer. Come on, man. You're putting me through it now. You use AI for that, right, Bone? Or you build your own tools and then just run your tools? Yeah. I never used to do scraping because I was too lazy to do scraping work, Bone. But since I've been using AI the last 4 months intensely, it basically, I noticed it starts scraping by itself for me. Nice, Bone. I wouldn't know how to run those scripts, but obviously you've got a bit more tech skills than me. Alas, we are ready, he said. Give it to me. Let's visit it, chat. Wow, chat. I just not seen the globe though. Where's the globe? But the layout is fucking amazing, chat. Wow. Look, compared to this, I'm already loving the layout, but I'm not seeing the globe. Alright, let's see. Let's go straight back to Claude. The initial first impression landing page is looking nice and slick, but I'm not seeing the globe pop up. What's good, Ian? Nah, he's lacking, but let's see if he got the... Let's see, maybe I have to do something here. Alright, he even linked that to it already. Nice. No, there's an error. The world's definitely not showing, chat. But we'll give it a chance. We'll give it a chance. Don't cut it at the first moment, software. Don't cut it at the first moment. I'm already impressed with the background, chat. I'm already impressed with the background. I'm not gonna lie. Nice. Let's see what Claude has as excuse. The chrome around it landed, but the globe didn't render. No guesses, exactly. That was 5 or 10 minutes, chat. But I do love how it took over that design, chat. I ain't gonna lie, man. Ah, maybe I got to hit explore? Nah. Nice, let's see. Nice, Ian. Yeah, it's been looking really good. The production, I feel like it gets more done in one prompt. I have to be honest in that. In Replit, I probably would have been going in and back and forth. Alright, software. Alright, I'm curious to see it, software. Shout out Ian, man, for tapping in. Come on, I want to see the globe, man. You're getting me all... It's like it's getting me all warmed up, chat. It's taking me to dinner. It's giving me a bottle of wine. But it's letting me wait. $15,000. Do you got a link, Mr. Redacted? Can you post that in the Discord? I will go visit it right now. I will go check it right now. Born, I'll check your message off stream after, Born. I'm finally getting to a place where I'm catching up with my entire task list and calendar. But trust me when I tell you, it's really busy out here right now. This is the schedule, chat, I ain't gonna lie. Streaming every day. meetings in the day, mostly from Zoom, so I'm not leaving my house, but mostly meetings. I can't wait for this DVC meeting tomorrow. And then it's straight back at it. And I got the weekend, I got to do the new client project. So, but I'll follow up. I'm catching up. I'm catching up, Born. I'll follow up very soon. You know the vibes, man. Alright, I'll go watch it right now on Stream Redacted once you posted it. Whoever wants to join, join. And if it's worth it, I'll join as well. 15k, I won't shy away. You know the fucking vibes, man. Welcome to the stream, everybody and anybody. We are max testing Fable 5. We've did 3 tests so far. 2 of them have been pretty good. Pretty good in the sense I would say actually very good. And now the globe had a little error at the start, but let's see what he comes up with. And I want the street view to work, chat. The street view is the most important for me. I want to find out in which cities you guys live. That way I can go in and walk around randomly in street view. I love doing that shit. That's like the game GeoGuessr, chat. I don't know if you've ever heard that game. Hey, we could probably create our own GeoGuessr, man, based on the members' locations. I want to add one more project here. Alright, we're getting a little task list as we go. Alright, refresh it. Still no. Oh, chat. That's exactly what I wanted, chat. What the fuck, man? What the hell, man? Only the map is glitching a bit, chat, but what the hell, man? Those inner lines compared to this, chat. Wow. And now the creme de la creme, does the street view work? No, I can't click it. I can click a user. Wow. Wow, chat. We did it. Welcome to Vancouver, chat. I'll be able to walk around in your cities soon. All you gotta do is join the Dollar Vibe Club. It's free. Wow, incredible, chat. Incredible. I like it, but just the map is glitching. Fable, you mofo. This is incredible. Everything's amazing. I just don't like that the map is glitching when it's spinning. It's like the textures is glitching or overlaying. I don't know exactly how to explain it, but fine tune that. But this is incredible. This is incredible. Thank you, Fable. I'ma call it Fable, chat. Fuck it. Man, I've been trying to get this done, chat, in Replit for weeks now. You guys have seen it. Damn, I'm so happy. Let's fucking go.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm!
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay
everyone?
calm.
What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
It's happening right in front of us, chat. This is, I'm telling you, man, AGI is right around the corner. This is incredible, chat. Where are we here? Boom, Lagos. I've never been to Lagos, chat. Right now we're going to Lagos. Incredible. Damn, I get to walk down your neighborhood and shit. Chat, I'm so excited for this, man. I'm so excited for this. This is incredible, chat. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, this is amazing. Sorry that I'm tripping. Alright, let me see. Took less time, that's for sure. Let me see. Let me see the version software made. He made it with the same prompts and a different map. Let me see the version he made. Software, don't disappoint me. Software creators, don't disappoint me. Software, you slacking, boy. I can send you that image if you want more time. I'll send you the image now. because it's not working. So I'll send you the image now and the prompt as well. We'll keep it fair game. Here's the image and here's the prompt. There you go. I would love to see what you come up with. Let's see. This is incredible, chat. I can't wait to walk through you guys' city. I just need it to stop glitching like that. Oh, I'm so happy, chat. Man, that's crazy. Oh, I already know what I'm going to be doing the next 7 days, chat. Enjoying the sports around the world and vibe coding like crazy, chat. I can't wait for the kickoff. World Cup, UFC 250 on Monday. Man, what a life, what a time to be alive, chat. It's like the modern days. We get to watch gladiators smash the hell out of each other. And we get to build. Man, I've got so many ideas, shit that I wanted to build that wasn't possible in certain platforms. We got the whole version 3 office to do with the guys. Damn, man, this is gonna be sick. A million times better than my map, man. That's for sure. This we gotta retire this one, man. This one's over. Game over. Opus 4.8, game over, homie. What's another country, chat? Let's go to my home country. Let's see if you got Belgium here somewhere. Amsterdam. Let's go to Amsterdam, chat. Let's go, Amsterdam. I love Amsterdam, chat. I used to go a lot to Amsterdam when I used to live in Belgium. Man, Amsterdam in the summer is really, really nice, chat. Amsterdam in the summer is really chill. And if you got some bandos to spend, Amsterdam is really fun. Man, this is amazing. I can't wait to check out your guys' cities, man. I know it's weird, but you don't have to share your city. But I'm just saying. Nice, and I get to see which members live in Amsterdam. You get to see the map. That's crazy, chat. What else do we got? Show routes. And auto rotate. Oh, man. Crazy. We're gonna do something. Let me first refresh this. Boom, chat. The issue is fixed. Incredible. We're gonna test something. In the future, all our members, they will have a area where they can ship projects. Ship, I mean, launch a project on a URL and have people test their vibe coded project. I want you to simulate an action that when a user ships a project, a rocket launches, it goes to the moon. So you should put the moon in the top left corner maybe. And then once it lands on the moon, it shows what projects is being shipped and it shows the card. And basically, viewers can then click the card to go visit the project. Simulate this all. I don't need a real backend. Just put like 5 or 10 ships in a loop. And then every 5 minutes or every 1 minute, a rocket leaves. If that makes sense, thank you very much, Fable. Good luck. Don't change anything else, because so far, so good. Just add on to it. Let's fucking go, chat. High level prompting. Redacted. That's sick, but you sent an image. Refresh. I have to go to work. I can't. Alright. Alright, I'll check in a couple of minutes. Software, enjoy work, man. It would be pretty crazy when you zoom in and can see the street, but you also see the avatars of the user. Well, that might be too much privacy, Born. And that would allow me, or would force me to go pay for the API key. Now I don't have to pay for the API key. So basically, it's just triggering on city location and opening the map. Like Google's paying for these. I ain't paying for that, you know what I mean, chat? And I'll just go full screen here. And I'll start walking around wherever I am. Nah, that's crazy, chat. Huge opportunity with Fable, man. The fact that he built this so fast, in this detail, I've been trying to do this for weeks, chat, with 4.8. Let's see if he gets the rocket thingy going, chat, if he understands that. Mr. Fable, well, if he pulls off the rockets, I'll call it Mr. Fable, Andre. I'll call it Mr. Fable. You know all the agents in Matrix were called Mr. Smith, Mr. this, Mr. that. So, fuck it. I'll just stick to the law. I'll just stick to the law. Man, this is amazing. I'm so happy, chat, because I've been trying to build this for the past 4 or 5 weeks. Alright, that's a big 10 out of 10, man. That's a big 10 out of 10 for the globe. The globe's incredible. I love the little lines going around it, the routes they call it. And that we could actually set up with real messages, people DMing each other and shit. Very cool, very, very cool. High level. Come on. Nope, no Google API. Completely free. No Google credits, chat. We on that broke boy vibe code level. It's just city and it puts it in and it fills it into Google. And Google pays the API, chat. Come on, get that last bit done. I'm very curious about the rocket, chat, if you would get that right. That would be amazing for people to push them to go and ship their projects. And obviously, I'll put a control on so that not everybody can just go there and put a project on. So you'll have to earn your ranking on the platform before you can post a project, obviously. Oh, wow, amazing. Let's go to the United States, chat. I haven't been to the United States. This is United States or not? I think so. Toronto, Canada. New York. Let's go to New York, chat. New York, baby. Man, I wanted to take me to Times Squares, homie. Yo, why aren't you letting me walk around? Alright. Damn, chat, I haven't seen a big city like this in a while, but I'll see it soon when I go to Bangkok. I'll definitely bring you guys along with me. That's crazy, chat. It's like I'm right there with you guys. Brrr, it's cold. That shit cold as hell. Come on. Continue building, homie. Man, the music is incredible today. This is Suno generated. I don't know how I did it, but it's called Circuit Clash, chat. Man, let's just do this. This is for Hunter. Hunter, this is your project, man. That's for us to use the first and foremost, Jinty, Hunter, and I'll send you some tracks as well here and there because I'm making a bunch of tracks. But let's get Dollar Vibe Club Radio running, man. Fuck it. Nah, this is incredible. I already feel it's gonna be a very productive week, chat. It's going to be a very productive week. Alright, Hunter, we'll get it sorted on the Yip Labs. I'm going to cancel my Suno. We'll get it this week done. We'll get it this week done, but that's not a priority right now. That radio station, you can build the radio station already in Claude Fable tomorrow, but the tracks will feed in at the end, don't worry. And we'll also have a genre copyrighted. Alright, let's look at the homies world. Software. Am I tripping or are you tripping? Software. I have to be 100% honest right now. You ain't got shit on Fable, let's say. Or at least you did use Fable, but maybe there's some limitation in the platform, but this is a million times. Well, this is 10x better. I would say yours has a good base. It's just lacking the background, lacking the detail in the map, lacking the interface, lacking the switches on the bottom, as in my screenshot. So, 50-50, 50%. But I have to say Fable beat you today, man. Claude beat you today, man. Damn, homie dishwasher got prompts on prompts. What's your next prompt? What's your next prompt, dishwasher? Tell me. Alright, Hunter. We'll lock it in this week, man. Click on the dots and go to New York. Well, that's what I'm saying. The platform didn't invite me to click on it. You know what I mean? But I'll click on it. I don't even know where New York is actually, chat, so... Alright, this is pretty nice, but I can't... Alright, this is pretty nice actually. I like this, chat, but it needs to be a bit more fluid because now you're seeing the dots around it. It's nice. I get what you're trying to do, but it's just not user friendly right now. But I like the idea. I probably could do this in Claude as well. I like the idea. I like it a lot. Well, it's okay. I see what you're doing. Because now, how do I go out? Alright, can you get it in color? Software creators, can you get that in color? I like this, but it's less engaging because you can't really walk in it. Unless I could walk around here. If I could walk around here, that would be sick. Alright, let's go back to the Rocket Man. Alright, software, enjoy your work, man. Thanks for being in the stream today, man. I appreciate your input today. Thank you. I appreciate you. Go get that money, boy. Chat, I might have to take a little 2-minute stretcher. Whoever's here, please don't leave the stream. Just like the stream while I'm gone. Share it with a friend, family member, niece, nephew. Whoever you think should tap into vibe coding and internet money. That's what we're doing out here every single day for the next 8 months, chat. Alright, I'll be right back. Let's get it, chat. Round 3 Fable. Round 3 Fable. Bye, Ritesh. What's your prompts? Let me check the prompts. Give me a minute, chat. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Let me check the stream. Let me turn down music. Alright, what's the stream? Go to New York. Okay, build a full screen ambient personal dashboard time. Full Frutiger Aereo layered. Amazing. That's basically what I'm building here, Dishwasher. Look at this. This is a fully vibe coded personal OS system that I'm using for my agents and my stream offline. We're working on the brain module soon, but I'll run it. I'll run it right now for you. Well, I'll run it after the world, chat. I like that one. Let me copy that. I'll copy that after, once I get back to Claude. Once he finishes the world. Okay, let me check if he's done it. Refresh. Boom, the moon's here, chat. Let's see if he ships something for us. Come on. Show it to me. Boom, chat. Look at that. My God. That was Andre's idea, chat. 4 weeks ago, 5 weeks ago. I wasn't able to do it. Why, fucking God. This is going to be amazing. Drop some W's, chat. Andre, you for sure, man. This was your idea. Look, chat. I had it here. Andre drew it in the Discord. Literally 4 weeks ago. And I wasn't able to get it done in Opus 4.8. But Fable, look at this. He did it way nicer. But he gave the idea. His rocket is way nicer. But this is incredible, chat. This is incredible. Plus, it stays here so people can visit it. And it goes to the moon different times. Incredible concept. Okay, I gotta make... Now I'll say... That is amazing, Fable. Just one more detail. Make sure that now with the new update and the new feature, that no pop-ups overlap each other. You can see in the screenshot, the city is overlapping the moon. What's up, Glassar? Amazing stream today, man. Fable 5 dropped. Mythos. Get ready, chat. And look at this. This is the first one of the 3 projects we put it through the ringer, Glassart. Just to update everybody, we're running Claude Mythos on max mode. We're testing a landing page, was super successful. Direct connection to Vercel Superbase, instant. Set up the dashboard and the collaboration tool for the meeting tomorrow, instant. The DVC globe as a test. This is the official globe. And right now you'll see every minute a rocket is gonna launch so people can ship their projects and get the community to test it and get feedback. What a time to be alive, chat. What a time to be alive. I'm telling you, Glassar, I'm grateful for everything that's happening right now in the world. Besides all the negative things, we've got Fable 5 dropping. I signed a 5-figure client contract today. 2 more clients in the pipeline, 5 figures as well each. World Cup's coming up tomorrow. You got the UFC 250 coming up on Monday. Man, it's incredible. What's up, Jacob? Welcome to the stream, man. Don't sleep on it. Fable is the new model of Claude. Fable is the new model of Claude. And it's building insane stuff, chat. I'm gonna ship Dishwasher's prompt in a few. And then I'm curious for that as well. So let me add that to the to-do list. We're gonna add it here. This is from this viewer, Dishwasher. And I'm gonna copy his prompts now, chat. Give me a minute. I feel like this is a legit prompt, chat. I feel like he's not trying to steal my Steam games. Build a full screen ambient personal dashboard. Time, data and fake weather display. Full Frutiger. Top edge. The whole thing should feel like an opening screen. Never ship, no libraries. Amazing. I love that prompt, Dishwasher. We're gonna run that in a few, chat. Huh. The model's good for taking over our master plan, Jacob. It just gets easier and easier. Every time a new model drops, we get faster to our end goal. A week ago, or yesterday, I was not able to build this. Now I did it in 5 minutes. So, I'm telling you, the models, soon it's gonna be one prompt, chat. There's no doubt in my mind. Let me put my face cam on so you guys know I'm real talk today, man. We're on some real talk today, chat. I got a haircut as well. Nobody in the chat noticed it though. Nobody in the chat noticed that. Fable versus Mythos, what's the crack? No, Fable is Mythos. Mythos, they haven't launched, but I call it Mythos. But it's called Fable 5. Yep, Jacob, I just signed the client today, man. 5-figure contract. An amazing project because I'm very selective in my projects. And this, guys, you'll see it. I'm going to build it tomorrow or next week on stream. It's a social impact project. And I'm super honored to be working on it, to be really honest. It's helping so many people, chat. Just to give you a little insight, it's going to be built for families with autistic children to help them in the development. And I'm so happy to be part of that because I feel like I'm adding value to society in some way, shape or form. Even though I'm not leaving my compound and I'm just going to be vibe coding it. But we're going to vibe code the shit out of it. So 10k, 5 figures. 5 figures, chat. 5 figures. And that's only milestone MVP. So as soon as she launches it and goes into her investor mode, then we go to the second part and that's 2 times 5 figures. So we're good. We're good for the season, chat. And like I said, I'd rather have less work, but quality work, than having a bunch of shit projects. No. I won't say it's that high, but maybe eventually when we get to the final version, probably that would be probably the budget I'm aiming towards. Step by step, chat. Step by step. First, let's finish this. Then we're going to run Dishwasher's prompt. And then we're going to run my final chess game just to put it through the ringer. I'll say aka Fable. Fable 5. And we're testing it on max mode, chat. Let me see how the credits are going, actually. Man, this is nothing. It's not burning anything. We've been vibe coding for 2 hours now and it's only at 23%. And we've got the results that we want instantly. Deployed and everything, chat. Everything's live. You can go visit these URLs. Like, nah, it's a corporation, Jacob. It's a corporation. And the one that's coming with the idea is leading the idea within the corporation. But it's a community effort, I think. It's bigger than one person. Let's put it that way. Okay, so I asked it not to overlay. So basically when I refresh now. Let's watch it work. The rocket should pop up in a few. Come on, show me that rocket. Boom! The rocket goes to the moon. And then it shows the project of one of our members. Incredible. And now I want to open a country. Where we at? In Miami. And I'll go to Miami. I've never seen Miami, chat. Oh, look at that, chat. Wow. Oh, palm trees, chat. We've got a bunch of those outside. Oh, that palm tree is nice, though. That palm tree is nice. Very nice. Alright, I'm very happy with this. That was incredible. We're going to end the map for now. And I'm going to send you a new project. And the brand name for that will be... design a multilingual. Well, only one prompt at a time. Dishwasher, I'm only doing one prompt. And I like that prompt from the operating system. So let's do that. Okay, so let's run it. Let's run it. 3, 2, 1. You can create a new Versols project and a new Superbase project in the same accounts. Run it, get it done. Here's the prompt. 1 second. This is the prompt from Dishwasher, chat. This is the Dishwasher OS, chat. Been in the game for 25 years and 3 years on Fiverr, Jacob. And all I do is put my best leg forward for each client so that those reviews come in. What's up, Adonis? Welcome to a blessed day, man. It's a great day today. I hope you're having an amazing one as well. Let's call it Dishwasher OS. Incredible. He's already gone straight to work, chat. Fable 5 Max. Let's see what he spits out. I'll show you my baked OS. You guys know my operating system. Yeah, Mythos is definitely performing up to the percentages. The usage has been great, chat. I'm not lying. The usage has been great. We are now on the 4th test. This is a viewer test. The viewer wanted to prompt it, so let's see. Nah, Dishwasher. One prompt at a time, man. Strict rules. Be careful what you say, Jacob. I think AI will be making better games than humans soon. I think the humans are gonna have to come with the storyline, with the creativity, and the users are gonna come with the assets, maybe. Nah, Dishwasher, I don't know what you mean by all that, Dishwasher. Nah, I'm not doing anything local, Dishwasher. I'm not in the mood for that. I'm here to test Fable today, Dishwasher. I just want to run it like that, man. Come on, be happy, Dishwasher. I ran your prompt. I'm not running anybody's prompt. Be blessed, man. I give you a hand, you take in an arm. You know the vibes. Alright, Jacob. I'll bet you $1 million on it right now, man. I will bet you $1 million that AI in the next 5 to 10 years will make the blockbuster game. I will bet you $1 million on it, Jacob. You think that they aren't using AI, Jacob? You really think that they aren't using AI? A company that's that cutting edge, 100% they are using AI, Jacob. 100%. If you think that they are not using AI, you're crazy. You're crazy. I'm telling you, man, Jacob, don't bet against AI. That's all I can say to you. Don't bet against AI. Yep, they had to implement AI in the last 15 years of manual development. And that's what's delaying it. Adonis is exactly right. AI is going to change the game, chat. Alright, we're building this operating system. Let's see how much tokens burns it takes us. I'm trying to do real life case studies, chat. So basically, this is a viewer project. So I'll put it here. Viewer prompt to create a modern OS. So let's see how he pulls it off, chat. Fable 5. Incredible. Incredible. Grateful to be testing it, chat. If you're building anything in Fable 5, chat, and you want to share it on the stream, just drop your link in the Fable 5 channel on our Discord. And then I'll view it live on stream. People are dropping what they're building. So if you're building something cool and you just want to showcase it, I'm down. Dollar Vibe Club is down. The channel is down. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Any new people here, don't be shy. Drop a hi. You know the vibes. And then soon you get to fly on the Dollar Vibe Club world map, if you know what I mean. Dishwasher OS is live. Wow, that was pretty fast. Chat, I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty fast. Let's check it out. I think the prompt was kinda lame because this looks like a child's game. Nah, this looks like a child's game, chat. I think the prompt was very bad. I would advise you, Dishwasher, to work on your prompts. I think you should work on your prompts, man. Now, what's up, Big Mike? Wow, it's an honor to have Big Mike here. I actually only know one Big Mike, and that's the Big Mike from Logan Paul. But I'ma consider you my Big Mike. Welcome to the stream, Big Mike. Nah, this is shit, chat. I'm not even gonna continue building that because I basically have my own OS at the background, 10 times better. Yeah, it looks like a child's game. Nah, this prompt was shit. Very bad. But I would argue that it's not Fable's fault. I think it's more the prompt that we put in. So that was total rubbish. Okay, now let's go to the fun part. Okay, that was total rubbish, but that was just a test, so never mind. The next project, be ready, stand by in the chat, and I'll brief you on it in a few moments. Alright. Running workflows. Did you do it on Fable, Adonis? No, I liked your prompt, but apparently your prompt wasn't good enough for the agent. And myself, I don't type prompts, I just speak to the agent. So you'll see, now I'm gonna make the next prompt and look at how I do it. I'll show you right now. Alright, so the next project I want you to build is a 3D interactive chess game. The caveat here is that I want you to do it based on different countries. So I want all the countries of the world in it. And I can switch to the country. And based on what I switch, the entire scenery changes to that country. And the pawns on the board change to characters that are relevant to that country. So the king and the horse, and that all changes. Like for example, if it's China, it becomes a samurai on a horse. That's the basic concept I have. I want user to be able to play to the computer first, and in a later stage we'll see to build it out. Start with 5 countries so you don't go overboard. Take London, New York, Hong Kong, Thailand, and India. Start with those, and they really have to have a very big difference so that when you switch a country you get the vibe that you're moving your chess table to another country. Make it interactive, make it engaging. You can give it the glass effect to make it look slick. I would say Apple style interface, but it has to, the board and the pawns have to be 3D, fully styled, fully set up. Publish it as a new project in Vercel and Superbase. You can do it in the same accounts. Good luck and thank you. You know the vibes, chat. I always say thank you. Skynet is real. Who's spamming? Who's spamming? Who's spamming? Bro, tell it to make it better. Okay, tell me to make it better. The ganja is giving you them ideas. You on fire? I am on fire, definitely. I'm smoking that super booth today. Yeah, dishwasher, don't be pushy, man. Calm down, calm down. Don't be pushy. No. It was a test. It was a test. I gave you the chance to send a full prompt in Discord. Definitely join the stream because I do this a lot more, dishwasher. I share the viewers' projects. I let the viewers prompt. I let the viewers vote on stuff. So this channel is for the viewers, it's not just me. So definitely sub up and join the community. Alright, careful, because I see moderator Phoenix is on his shooter fingers. So he's got that timeout gun, so be careful. Right now I've seen some really impressive AI made games. Of course, they're not built with Claude. You need the tools. You need the tools, you need designers, you need assets born. But I'm telling you, all the coding work, all the storyline, all the NPCs, that's all going to be fully AI. Trust me, chat. Listen, I don't like to talk about it because it's something bad that's happening in the world. But if AI, Palantir, is running war games in real life right now, chat, dropping bombs on real people, if AI can manage that, AI can build you a gaming studio. Trust me. Trust me. If you think you can't launch a gaming studio with AI, you're crazy. You're absolutely crazy. And I'm telling you, soon to create worlds, it's gonna be just going into AI and say, hey, create me a fantasy world. I want this, 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 and this. And I want my apartment to look like this. 5 seconds later, you'll see. I was speaking with a client today, chat. I said to the client, I'm gonna be redundant in 2 years. You won't need me for the website. He said, no, that's right. I won't need you for the website, but I will need you for your consultancy and orchestrating and managing all these AI agents. I said, you're absolutely right. And that's what I'm training for now. And that's what we're doing on stream for the next 8 months live, chat. Well, I'm just saying, Adonis, that they're using it. I don't condone it. It's been a disaster. I would rather not see it happen. I would rather not have people get blown up. But I'm just saying, it did certain things. Let's look at Venezuela. What the US did there is all AI driven, chat. Well, I would mark your words very carefully, Count. I would first say get your first 10 orders on Fiverr. But if you believe it, you will achieve it. Lock in 8 months. A mil is a very big goal, so I would set your goal a little lower. I would set it at 100k. If you can make 100k, a mil is easy. But the 100k is really hard, chat. When I made my first 100k, after that, like, money isn't real. Everything after that is just, it doesn't matter. So I'm telling you, focus on 100k and not a million. Well, a lot of people are going to be whining soon. I'm telling you, seeing Fable now, I'm embracing it. I'm taking a completely different perspective, chat. I'm embracing it. I'm seeing, okay, what can AI take over from me? And where can I put my time that's more valuable, that will make me money? Or not, it's not about the money that will actually keep me happy. I just enjoy what I'm doing. The money is a byproduct of it, chat. And I don't want to get you confused on that, Jacob. I'm not doing it for the money. You've got to love this shit. You have to love it. If you do not love it, you will not get to the end of the line, chat. And I say the same to Hunter, Jacob, so I'm keeping it real with you. I'm telling Hunter as well, you've got to love it, man. I see Fable 5 release, chat, everything in my day stops and I'm dying to get online. But today I scheduled the stream, so I had to wait. You gotta love it, Jacob. That's exactly that, man. I'm not sure if Replit implemented Fable, but I guess they will. I guess they will. Think of it as like this, Jacob. You gotta love the process, building businesses and launching clients and supporting your clients. You gotta care for your clients. Nice, nice, Hunter. Run it up, man. Run it up. Burn them tokens, man. Send in the Discord whatever you're building and we'll view it on stream. There's a Fable channel. Alright, you see it's working way longer now on the chess. I think my prompt was just way longer. I don't really prompt, chat. I just talk to my agents now. Whoever's still typing prompts is kind of old school, I would say. And you can call me an OG because I'm 40 years old and I'm not even typing, you know what I mean? Soon. The moment you get to Thailand, I'll hook you up. I'll send it to your villa. Alright, Phoenix. I'll see you tomorrow before the stream. GG, man. Thanks for the thumbnail. And, yeah. Let's run it. Come on. Dishwasher OS was a fail. So this was 10 out of 10. This was 10 out of 10. This was a 11 out of 10. This was a fail. Prompt fail. Alright, let's see how it runs, chat. Let me post that after to Twitter. Come on, build it, baby. GG, Phoenix. GG, man. Get some sleep, homeboy. I'm curious to see what he's going to be doing here. Damn, what you be building? How can you be building usage at that pace and you're not bringing in stacks? There's something wrong there, Jacob. And I'll show you, because I basically run a 6-figure company and my usage never runs out, and I'm on a 200 plan, on a 5x plan max, obviously. So I don't know if that's your plan, but look, it can't be. The amount that we build in chat, I build every single day. I never run out. Obviously, I build commercial projects with clear targets, so I don't know if that's the difference. I don't know. But that's weird that you run out already. 20x, 20x, 20x. And tomorrow or tonight, Hunter, when I get off the stream, I'll call you, or tomorrow, and we're gonna get 20x for you as well. At this point, you're gonna be running the DVC lead projector, so you're gonna need to be on the 20x plan for Fable and all that good stuff. Let's see what we get out of this, chat. I want to see the chest. I've been trying to build this a couple of weeks. You guys know it. And we got version 1. We got version 2. Let's see version 3, chat. You know the vibes, man. I know he's legit and he's hooking himself up. He's making his own money, Jacob. Don't get it wrong. Don't get it wrong. But we're a corporation. So when I say I hook it up, that's basically the company that will hook it up. No, he's making his own money, chat. He's definitely carrying his weight in the company, I'll tell you that. Don't cheer yet, Hunter. Keep your head down. Hard work for the next 8 months and then we'll cheer. Stack up as much cash as you can. Saving would be the goal. And investing in the right things. Chat, whoever wants to know who Hunter is basically my nephew. He's a top level Fiverr seller. He does vibe coding projects. He's killing it. He's also got his own YouTube channel. And I'm basically a level 2 seller on Fiverr. I've been on Fiverr for the last 3. I've had my own agency for the last 25 years. And most recently, I run vibe code projects. I've shipped 40 projects the last 4 months. I do not sell below my premium package. And I absolutely love what I do. I think these reviews will reflect that. So that's what we're doing out here, chat. We're building in public every single day for the next 8 months. And we're building and showing, learning with the community. Because whoever says that they know how to use Fable the best way is tripping. Because Fable was just launched today. You know what I mean? So we're learning AI every day, chat. Don't get caught up in all those gurus telling you you'll make 50k in a day. Like, AI is going to be hard work, but if you put 8 months of hard work into it, you will be a master of AI. And you will define yourself from the pack, chat. I promise you. Alright, Jacob, that's big shoes to live up to. So, I'm very excited to see at the end of these 8 months, man. I'm really counting on it. And don't forget, I've been doing this 80 days, Jacob. And I've already seen people come and go. Don't forget that. I've already seen people come and go. Maybe because they had some issues in their life. Or maybe they didn't like the energy. What's up, man? Let's get fucking ready. He's here, chat.
No fighting. Oi!
Oi!
No fighting. No fucking fighting. No fighting. No fucking fighting!
Welcome to the stream, user.
Good.
Love to have you here, man. You're the one that brings that Tommy Shelby out in me, man. You're the one that brings that Tommy Shelby out in me. No fucking fighting, chat. You see, chat, it's taking way longer than dishwasher's prompt. It's already running like how long? 5 minutes, 10 minutes? If you don't take action, you'll cry when you 30 count. Because I'm telling you, life isn't fun without the money glitch. GTA, imagine it as GTA. GTA is only fun when you got money glitch, and otherwise it's super boring. So my advice is to you, get rich, man. And don't forget your people, stay humble, take care of your people, give back to the people that took care of you in the beginning. I might get a Tommy Shelby hat, chat. Alright, user, you do what you gotta do. Security is a major opportunity in this industry. And you will probably have to build a incredible AI security agent. But that's probably gonna be one of the most important things. I've noticed it firsthand on stream with you guys. We got a little bot it last week. I'm already in the pact with Hunter. And whoever joins on board, it's not about making a pact, it's about staying on the train, Jacob. And you're on the train right now. So just stay on that train. But don't forget, the train is going 400 miles an hour, chat. We're on that Tokyo bullet train. So as long as you stay on the train, you stay up to date with AI, you stay working, you stay building, you have to push for sales, Jacob. You have to push for sales, man. You can't have a 99% usage rate in Claude and have 0 sales on the board. Like, that doesn't make sense, Jacob. And you can't even have 1 or 2 sales. If you're burning 99%, unless you're on the 5x plan, I didn't know that. I didn't know what you're on. Alright, user, good luck, man, but I do hope you keep stopping by the stream every week. Come on, man, I want to play my chess game. Alright, well, you should try to finish those 3. And once you've got 5 clients done, you should have enough money for Claude 20x. Hidden character, okay, I love it, user. Stay low key, man. I appreciate you. You can definitely feel a different vibe here. In LATAM, it's pretty rare to come across this kind of energy. Well, like I say, Born, if we don't do this now, the opportunity is gone in a year or 2, Born. And that's why I'm gonna tap into you. Matter of fact, Born, we'll schedule a meeting this week, man. Let's get the LATAM version going, and I'll give you access, turn it into a Spanish version, and then you can run it on stream as well. Alright, shipped. Let me check it. Did he really ship it? Let's test it, chat. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, okay. Where are we now? We are in London. New York, nice. Hong Kong, nice. The characters aren't changing though. Nice. Nice, okay. I want you to go more detailed now. So let me get it into Claude. What do you call those moving things on the board? Alright, this is looking pretty amazing. I want to see if you can do an extra effort to get the design nicer than just random 3D models in the back. So maybe try to do it with 360 imagery or something cool. Think about it. Figure it out. Secondly, when I change the country, I actually want the pawns on the board to change style. So they can't just change color. They have to actually represent the country that we're in. Give it a go. Good luck. I am happy already, chat, with what I've got here. I don't know how you would play. Alright, it makes you click it. Shit, chat, he playing already. Alright, I like it. It is better than the first version that we had in 4.8. If you remember that, it was all black, dark, neon-y. This is looking way more slicker. I like that at least it's changing the vibes. Alright, it tried with New York. But not super impressed by the design. But the functionality is definitely running it. 360 panoramas, that's it. Let's see what we can get. Alright, Jacob. For sure, Jacob. You know the vibes, man. Keep vibe coding. I'm harsh to you, but I hope you get the message the way Hunter gets the message, man. No feelings involved. I hope you understand that as well. Come on. Elephants and dragon. Nice. After this, we'll end the stream, chat. And then I'm gonna download this video and re-edit it and then upload it as a Claude Mythos video. I'm very excited for that. Editing will take me a few hours. But so far, I must say, I'll give this an 8 out of 10. And then I guess this is it. Let's see if he can convince me with this model update. And let's see if I can bring the scoring higher or not. Let's see if we can get that score up, chat. Come on, man. While he's doing that, I'll play a bit of chess. So he came for me that way. So I'll sacrifice. I'll put this homie right there. And he's gonna come there. So I'll push this homie, yeah. Come on, force you to the back. I knew I would force you back. So now that you went back, I'm kinda gonna push you again. And I'm gonna speed run the queen. And I'm gonna move her right here. Oh shit, chat. My dumbass. It's okay. It's okay. 100% agree, Andre. 100% agree. 100% agree, man. Yeah, I lost my queen, chat. That wasn't a smart move, but you know the vibes. I'm not really paying attention. Let's blame it on that, okay, chat? You didn't really see me lose that, queen. Don't tell the queen in real life type shit. I'm loving these screenshots of Claude, man. Come on. I'm gonna copy the link and close it so that I can open it fresh once it's done. Come on, and how are we looking on burn rate? Yeah, the burn rate is nothing, chat. I could easily ship 2 full projects with this, I think. Or at least 1 full project. 100%, man. 100%. Alright, that was a client message. That's all good. Let me go to my inbox. Live stream is all good. Come on, show me the chess, man. I want to see the chess. I'm loving the music, man. It's like building up the tension before we get to see the final chessboard, chat. And then I'm going to make a little outro, chat. Today I'm going to go full screen outro. And then I'll use that for my rebroadcast after, you know the vibes. So happy Fable 5 dropped today, chat. I was actually going to do a business meeting today with you guys on stream, chat. For the Dollar Vibe Club. But then Fable 5 dropped, and yeah, I had to switch it around, you know. I think we're almost done. And let's see if we can give it a 10 out of 10, chat. See if we can give it a 10 out of 10. Come on. Run it, Fable. Mr. Fable, run it. Or should I call it Agent Fable? I guess I should call it Agent Fable, right? Mr. Anderson. Who knows that, chat? Ah, that's where I got the Mr. from. Come on, push it. I want to run it. It's keeping me on tension, chat. Chat, I kind of feel bad. Was I mean to Jacob? Because he kind of left in a hasty flow. Was I mean to Jacob? Did I say anything mean? I can't remember, man. I've been smoking as well. But he put in all caps, catch you soon. So I hope I didn't upset him. I don't know. I don't think I was mean, chat. I think I was honest. But it's okay. I know he's OG, so sometimes he gets a bit sad. No, I know him. Sometimes he gets a bit sad and then he might not want to react, and then I understand that he dips. But shout out to Jacob, man. Alright. Nah, this is whack. Nah, that's whack. It's already a better vibe, chat. I'm not gonna lie, it's already a better vibe. Let me see if he changed the elephant. Look, I got a little elephant. But obviously, I would have to make the models. Hong Kong, I get a dragon. Nice. It does understand. I'll give it a 9 out of 10, chat. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Alright, then I won't feel bad, chat. 9 out of 10. So I'm gonna post this. Let me post the stream as well. Amazing results. Every new model drop, I do the same tests, and this was the best outcome by far. Let's go. Fable 5 at Claude at Anthropic. AGI is right around the corner, but if you want to build an agency, it's right. Agency, the technology is right here. Let me copy my YouTube. Alright, that's posted. My Twitter chat, go tap in. I'm trying to build that. Overall, very impressed with the results. The best one outcome was the globe, chat. By a landmark, by a landslide, or how do they say it? Yeah, I read that it's gonna be a $1 trillion company, or that they are bidding to be an IPO of $1 trillion. Okay, chat, let me turn down the music. Let me go full cam. And let me put some background music on for us. I'll dim it a bit so it's not too crazy. Chat. Thank you. Welcome. Not welcome. Thank you for joining me today. It was great testing Fable 5. I have to say I feel I will be able to move 20 times faster again. Thanks for everybody in the chat. Shout out Phoenix, Andre, Hunter, Jacob, Born to the Beat, aka Roberto, Mr. Redacted for coming back, Mr. Kigago. I would like to say, and I have to say it because I always forget it, but be sure you subscribe, chat. If you enjoyed this video, be sure that you leave a like and try to invite at least one person. Just copy the link of this stream, drop it in your friend group. The time to capitalize on AI is now, chat. You've got 2 years, and in 2 years everybody's going to be able to do it. We are doing it here non-stop for the next 8 months, live on stream every single day. Shout out Ian, shout out Selim. Selim is a new viewer, but Selim, I hope to catch you here the coming days. I'm about to end the stream. Chat, we're absolutely blessed. We get Fable 5 today. We got the World Cup starting tomorrow. I got a client Contract signed, 5 figures. 2 more clients incoming, 5 figures each. We got the UFC 250 coming on for United States of America, 250. Chat, we are blessed. We are blessed. If you've got the opportunity to work in Fable and you've been sat with an idea, a business, man, get it done. Don't sleep and get it done. Chat, you know what I say every day. Peace on the streets. No fucking fighting. And keep vibe coding.